Congratulations, you have earned reward for completing your profile, which is equal to 1 USD survey match. Imagine that you can be able to earn 1 USD by completing only your profile. So this platform can be helping you to earn money by taking surveys, by playing games, by doing different activities. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you different ways you can be earning money by taking surveys. I'm going to be talking about Cashkick, which is among the one platform that you can be able to use and make money by taking surveys, by playing games, and by completing different tasks. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, subscribe today, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. This platform is called the Cashkick, and if we type Cashkick in your laptop or in your browser, either you're using Android phone or you are using iPhone, using laptop as well, even desktop, any device that can be able to access the internet can be able to help you doing this. I'm starting also showing you different ways you can be able to access this platform. First of all, you can see you can be coming here. If you go below, you scroll down below and see this platform, which is cashkick.com. You can be able to access it via internet by visiting the official website. Also, you can be able to visit, if you see Cashkick iOS, there is iOS application which is having 4.4 out of 5 ratings among 4,851 people who have already reviewed this application. Also, if you go to Cashkick Android, let's see Android app, we can see also this application is having 4 ratings out of 5, over 7,814 people who has already reviewed this application. So you can be able to choose the given way you can be able to access it, either you are via your laptop, either via your phone, either via the internet, and others. So now when you click on the Cashkick already, what they tell you is to start creating a new account. If you don't have account, that's the first thing you have to do. So after creating a new account, of course you need to be able to access it. You'll be able to access it once you have created an account. You can see they're having also these reviews, but because I have also an account, that is the reason why you can see now they also directing me immediately to the account. So what you need to do, you can be able to choose to either sign up with Google, you can be able to choose to either sign up with an email. It so depends on what you need. Let's start reviewing this platform and see. As you can see, they are showing me available activities I have to do. You can see they are showing me the games. I have 62 games that I can be able to perform and also be able to earn money from this one. And 125 count story, match cooking, animals and coins, and 220 USD. Merge gardens. Also, it all depends on your preferences and your survey match. It all depends on the service is gonna be matching with you. So let's see if I go to deals. And now I have deals that I can be selecting from. China mobile banking, limited time offer, 25 or 250 open checking account. So this also can be able to help you earn money by opening checking account from this bank, but it depends on your location as well, because of course you cannot be able to get to earn this money if you are not located in the United States. For instance, if you have to create this bank account, that means you need also to be located there so that you can be able to win this amount of money. So now of course they have considerations. Of course, if you can see my account now, you cannot be able to create this account if you are not located in the United States. That is one limitation. So it is only for the people who are located in the United States. And also, if we are going to be accessing this platform via your laptop, via your computer, and you cannot be able to access it, so don't worry, that's the limitation which is there. That means also it's not made for you. It's the geographical limitation, and also you don't have anything to do on it. So but if you are located in these countries like United States, like other states in the US, you can be able to take surveys, you can be able to earn money by completing surveys. So for instance, let's now try to scroll down to this. If I see I have these ones, and also let me see this one which is having an instant cash for 15 minutes. Let's try to take these surveys. So it's all about the given what you need. So what they are telling me is length is 15 minutes and the reward is 1.72 USD. The surveys may include demographical questions. You will be disqualified if the answers given don't match your profile. So you can see what they are saying. So they have to be also checking on your profile, which means if you provide the answers which are not matching your profile, you can be ending up getting disqualified from now getting paid. So that means it requires much attention. Depends on how you have already verified your profile, and depends on how you're going to be taking all these surveys. Also, let's try to explore another surveys. For instance, I have this one. Now if I have this survey, you can see it's instant cash. Now this 22 minutes, and also you can see this instant 0.24 USD, and also it's gonna be taking 18 minutes. Let's see, this one is gonna be taking 10 minutes, which is gonna be costing 0.74 USD. Let's try to take these surveys and see what they're going to be telling us. So it's gonna be now it's gonna be let's keep looking. This surveys wasn't best fit. Let's find the perfect one for you. You can see now even though you are seeing those surveys there, not all the surveys can be matching your profile. Depends on how you have verified your profile. Also the survey match system or strategy that they're using is gonna be also determining which survey that can be fitting for you, also which surveys that can be matching your profile, and which surveys that is made for you to be able to take. So beside exploring the surveys, now you can see there are giveaways. You can see, for now we go to the giveaways. So let's see the giveaways, and so you can see the deals. Now if we click on the giveaways, current giveaway, enter to win, you can see Millionaire Monday. Now this is the first prize, which is gonna be 100 USD. The second, it's gonna be 75 USD. Also the third prize, this is gonna be now 50 USD. Also you can see the on 11/10/2024, 2024, the first was Laura B, and you can see every person is already displayed here, and also the amount of money they have already earned. So those are the winners, the past winners, and also the countdown to win. Winners selected. You can see now past winners. Go to here. The first, those ones have got this amount. Also those 5 have got this amount. You can see they are getting this amount. So these are everyday giveaways that's gonna be provided within 24 hours as well. So you can be qualifying to be also among those winners who can be able to win for these prizes. Not only surveys, giveaways and deals, but also there are games that you can choose to be exploring and also be able to do that. Once you have the one which is in progress, you can be seeing here, and also once you have the ones you have already completed, that is going to be seeing in the history section. Also have these Domina Dreams, get ready to enter the world of addictive fun with Domina Dreams. Users have earned this one. You can see all of these people have earned this amount. So now it's up to you to choose which kind of game, which kind of activity you can be able to choose to do. These in-app purchases, completing all the steps allowed. So here are the steps. They tell you every step that you have to be be able to select from. Get started. The first thing is to download the application. The second is to complete 0.5 finish in there. This can be in 2 days to qualify. The third step is to finish London. This is can be in the 4 days. The 15 also to get the 15 here, this is going to be 5 days. You finish Berlin, 20 finish Nashville, also 14 finish Miami. Now this finish Fiji. Also make an Apple purchase of at least 10 USD. This is gonna be completed in 6 days. Now this 40 days, 14 days. Now 1 day invite a friend, invited 3 friends, 4th, you can see now on to 300. So it all depends on the strategies, and also you have to select which one is going to be easier for you. And also you can be selecting this one, for instance. It all depends on what you're going to be seeing easy for you. And also you can see others are taking a lot of time and others are taking short time. So what you need to do is to select the one which is going to be best for you, and also to be able which you feel okay to be able to accomplish. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in a comment section. Remember to turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.